This also is in your kit. These are going to be magnets. You're going to remove them from the bag. And these obviously are a little smaller in stature, so you're definitely going to want to use some painter's tape to keep yourself organized. I started with the XO base and I filled in it with chocolate and wiped it back with a baby wipe. And then I hit the X with a black and the O with some white. Then I took my heart pieces and the frame I'm going to do in the chocolate and wipe it back. And the two separate hearts I'm going to do in the Republic Red and one with white. And the one with white, I'm going to go in with a little Republic Red while the white is still wet and make it pink by brushing in the Republic Red and the white together. Then my last piece of tape, I'm going to take this envelope apart, and you want the frame and the internal pieces of the envelope to one side. These are all going to be chocolate. The hearts I'm going to space to another portion. But first I'm going to do the chocolate on the frame and all the small pieces. Again, I'm going to apply it and then wipe it back. And it's just going to give me that stained look. The hearts I'm going to put on a separate piece of tape. And I'm going to spread them out a bit. But I'm going to first hit that envelope base with the chocolate and wipe it back. I kind of want to do different colors with these hearts. So the first one I'm going to do white. The cluster of three I'm going to do Republic Red. And the single one I'm going to do black. And then the one with the red, I'm going to pick one and add the snow owl and make it pink. And now I'm ready to glue everything together. I'm going to glue down the frame of my envelope to the base of my envelope. Now with these small pieces, you kind of want to put all your pieces in first and make sure you have everything in the right spot, you have a plan. And then I take a very small piece of the tape to help me lift each piece up, and I'm going to hit the edges with black and then lay it down with some glue. I'm putting the glue right inside my section. Again, you're going to lift out your small piece with the tape, hit the edge with black, and then glue it down. And then I'm going to fill in this upper portion, waiting on the hearts. And then once that's all done, I'm going to do the same thing with the hearts. I'm going to hit the edges with black and then glue the portions down. Again, you always want to check your small pieces before gluing it to make sure you have everything where it belongs, because sometimes it can get tricky and some parts look like they go in a certain way. And just knowing in advance just keeps everything smooth. So this is the envelope. These are going to be so adorable. Cute little magnet. You have the small magnets that go along with this that at the end you're going to glue to the back of each of your pieces. So now I'm putting the hearts together. I'm going to do the frame on the base. Again, hit the hearts with my black and then glue them inside the spots that they belong. The black is just kind of emphasizing each piece. It does give it a nice look. Obviously, this is optional. And my XO, I'm going to glue down the O and then the X. I'm going to get all my tape out of the way. And then I'm going to put some dots on my X. I'm going to do it on the black heart in my envelope and on the pink heart. So here you have 3 cute little magnets. I have one last magnet that I did separate just because I had a little more pieces. And you're going to do everything pretty much the same way. I'm going to get all my pieces separate. I'm going to hit my frame with the chocolate. Wipe it back. I'm going to do my little flags here with the heart and the white and the hearts and the Republic red. And then I'm going to start gluing everything together, adding the frame to my base. Again, you want to get all your pieces in before you glue them down to make sure you're putting everything in the right spot. And I use a piece of tape to kind of help me lift and lay down. And I put the glue inside instead of on the back. It just makes it easier and it works very well. These ones I did not hit with the black edging. They were just so small. And then I added all the hearts. And then you can add your magnets to the back. This one may need 2 magnets. I did put polka dots on every other flag. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kit.